The container washer can be a simplified cleaning and sterilization device, or an automatic cleaning and sterilizing line. The simplified cleaning and sterilization device can be used to clean standard and large transfer containers. The automatic cleaning and sterilization line uses 50 degrees centigrade disinfectant for sterilization and 80 degrees centigrade fresh water for rinsing. It features fast drying, automatic control over the whole process, better cleaning performance, and lower labor intensity.